Happy morning, I'm Avinashi from grade 10. Today let's learn about proof of Pythagoras theorem. First let's see what is Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem is most important formula of a geometry branch. Pythagoras theorem is given by a mathematician named Pythagoras. It states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides of a triangle. Now let's see a clear explanation video with a working model done by me. Here C is the hypotenuse, A is the altitude and B is the base. Hence we need to prove that A square plus B square is equal to C square. A square is this square, B square is this smaller square, C square is this big square. Let us consider these beads as the area. It says that area of A square plus area of B square is equal to hypotenuse. As we move the beads to the bigger square, it's completely filled. So we have proved that A square plus B square is equal to C square. Now let's see the uses and some examples of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is commonly used to find the lengths of sides of a right-angled triangle. The theorem is used to find the length of diagonal of a rectangle, square, etc. It is also used to find some trigonometric ratios like sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. The examples are laying out square angles, construction, surveying, etc. Thank you.